Hello, happy Monday, Magic Monday. So I am on my Norwex VIP group, and it's where I'm making this recording to be shared later. And I am Kathy Elliott, an independent Norwex sales consultant, and I'm excitedly opening up my box here because I want to share something that I've been waiting for. Meant to order before now, and anyway, so here it is, the Renewing Eye Cream. Okay, so this is, I'm going to put these off to the side here. This is what I've been waiting on. I did a demo of these products, and this is my list here. This is the last, and I can't quite get all of this out of here, but I've been trying. And so when I made my last order, I thought I had included this, and I didn't. So I have a little cheat sheet over here because I want to read things to you. And as the recording goes, anyone who pops on, I will try to say hello. And so those who are watching this on YouTube or as a recording, and you're wondering who I'm talking to, that's who I'm talking to, who pops in to the group on live. All right, now, here's the thing. The Renewing Eye Cream. Why do we want it, right? Okay, we have some tired areas on our face from time to time, right? And it's usually our eyes. Now, to be clear, I've already washed my face. I patted my face dry. I put on the serum. As a reminder, it pops up. It is refillable, and the instructions inside the box. And that's what I'm going to show you about the Renewing Eye Cream as well, is that it is refillable. So the top comes off, and you get this little piece here that you put back in. It's an airless pump. Okay, so let's go back to what this does. This Ultra Rich Renewing Eye Cream is designed to awaken and brighten your delicate skin around your eye so that you look more rested, relaxed, and beautiful, because we all deserve to look beautiful. Hello, Michelle. Welcome. So this is a follow-up video to my one where I did all the products, but I didn't have this one. So we're gonna talk about the Renewing Eye Cream. Okay, so why do you want to use this? Because it is a plant-derived product, and it's intensive moisturizer under the eye, and it helps to make the skin smoother. It's also so sorry, when my stutter kicks in, I have no option. Dermatologist tested, so for allergies and irritants. It is a 89% bio-based content from plants and other renewable sources. It is also EWG verified as safe and gives you some peace of mind, right? So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you. Now we want to put this all around our eye area. It's brand new, so I'm priming the pump here. Come on, baby, there we go. So I got just a little bit. I love this new pump. This little bugger, when we had this one, when you would push it down and it would, oh, there is still some in the pump. You see how much more came out? This one's a little bit more controlled. So this amount would do both eyes. This one will do one eye gladly. I also do around the corners of my mouth. And I don't know where those lines decided to come from, but anyway. So now I have one for each eye. But I like how the new bottle is more controlled on how much comes out. And it's an airless pump, so it just keeps pulling it up. You dab around your eyes, and you go all the way around. It is a product that you can use all around your eye. So that is what I do. And I just love how it feels. It just lays there. It's not thick, it's not heavy. You can feel it moisturizing. It feels wonderful. So let's talk some more about this. One of the key ingredients here is the glacial water, which is ultra pure and intensely hydrates, and with the rich minerals that are in here from the Norway. So these products are derived out of the Norway minerals, and the water there is amazing, and that's what really sets our product aside from everybody else. So let's talk about how the fact that it is an autosave item, just like the other parts of this line are, and then it has the refill. So what I did is I ordered this, and I also ordered this. So I have my jar, and I have the refillable. So when this is empty, I already have my refillable, and I put my refillable already on autosave. So when it's time, I'm going to get a discount on my refillable. And I can set this to come 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, whatever months I want, up to 6 months. So when it comes time for them to say, you should be ready for your your refill, the refill, I can say, not quite yet because I already have it, right? And I can delay that until I'm ready. So here's this part. Take off the lid. Here is the little container in here. You're going to get about 75 pumps per container. You can use this day and night. There you go. And then I'm just going to put this on. I'll take this cap off and I'll put this on. And then all I am doing is changing out between one pump and the other container. Do you see that? That's awesome. And I just put it back in here. Fits right in there. And that is how easy it is to do our refillables. It is so nice. Okay. Well, that's all I have to show you on this product because the rest of these are in another video. And I'm going to try to link these videos together, like in the description. I'm going to try to put this link into the other video and that video link into this one. Anyway, anytime that you want to share Norwex, please feel free to share these videos. Also, invite people to come into your own home. Hi, Michelle. And say, you know what? I want to show you something really cool. Maybe they already know Norwex with the EnviroCloth cleaning everything. Maybe they don't know about our body cloths. Or some people have been introduced to our body cloths, but they don't know about the EnviroCloths. And this thing about how you clean them, what do you clean with, how long do you take until you wash them and put them through the washer and dryer. It is amazing to share this information with those that you care about. So I am happy to help you do that. And along the way, you're going to get some awesome thank yous for doing so. All right, well, I got to go on with the rest of my day. Thank you for joining me and talking about the Renewing Eye Cream. Have a blessed day, everybody.